TimePipe Go is your smart, personal travel guide, allowing you to start your trip anywhere, anytime. This app lets you explore travel plans and tourist attractions. With a single click, you can add your favorite trip plans or places into your personal collections. It is fast, easy, and convenient. Before traveling, create a trip plan based on your own interests. You can add notes to the trip and to each stop for later reference. The trip plan can be shared with your fellow travelers. There's no need to set up a chat group for fellow travelers using a separate app. A chat room is automatically created with the trip plan for travelers. During your trip, TimePipe Go is your real-time tour guide. It lists the planned stops as well as nearby points of interest on the map with detailed information. It provides you navigation directions with a single click, and it pops up reminders and notes upon arrival at each stop. During and after the trip, you can upload photos or diaries. A trip journal can be automatically generated for your memory and for sharing. The app is also a place for social networking among travelers, allowing you to share travel plans, to follow your friends, and to build a fan base. Get the most out of your world travel experiences by downloading TimePipe Go, your personal travel guide.